Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now in this tutorial we are going to talk about table part 3, how to split and merge cell, how to resize rows, columns, table. Okay, so the first one is how to split. How can you split cell? Now in order to split cell, let's say this cell we want to divide it. We have the data and we want to divide this cell into maybe 4 pieces, so we can just fix in the data. Now select the cell that you want to split. Now go to table, layout, and go to split cell. So it asks you how many rows and columns you want to split. Now I want 2 rows, 2 columns. Click on it and you have it over here. You can decide to split this as well. Click on this space and go to the same split cell. Now the number of rows and column you want. Just okay, so to split it. Okay, so measurement number 2. Okay, so to split this cell. So you see, you can split all the cells over here by clicking on the split cell to split the specific cell you want to divide it. So that's a way to split cell. Now let's go to the next one. That is how to merge cell. I've merged one cell here. Let's say you want to this, we have 4 divisions here. We want to join all this and to make it 1 without any division like you see. Just highlight it as I've done and go to the same table layout and go to merge cell. Now see merge cell. The cells have been merged together. Okay, now how can we resize rows and columns? Now in order to resize this row, so this is a row and this is a column. So click on this. Now go to the same table layout, height. So click on the height to see once you click it keeps what adding. Okay, so now you can just decrease it. If you want it in this form, okay. Then if you want this size to be applied to any of or each of these cells here, then click on distributed cell. You see it has affected all the cells here, and that is how to do it. Okay. So that is a way to, and you can do the same thing to the column as well by going to the width and distributed column to just apply to the columns over here. So that's a way to increase size. And the last one is how to increase table as well, or how to resize table. See at the end of the table, you see we have this. So you can just decrease it, or you can just increase it. So you decrease the size or increase the size. So that's a way to increase or resize table as well. Alright, so today we've talked about how to split and merge cells, how to resize rows, columns, and table. Alright, so our next meeting we talk about how to, that's the alignment and the formulas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.